How to disable sound in NBA Live Mobile. Maybe you are in a quiet place or listening to something else. Either way, you can mute the game in just a few taps. First of all, launch open the NBA Live Mobile application on your device and make sure you are inside the home screen. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you're inside this profile section, go to the audio option from the left and then you'll see the game music volume, gameplay volume and SFX volume options. If you don't want to hear any kind of a music or sound effects, commentaries or crowd sounds, you can simply toggle off the slider towards the left. Mute all of the sliders on the page and you can now enjoy the gameplay experience without any kind of a music, especially when in times you don't want to disturb anyone or play the game quietly. Set everything to off if you want complete silence, but if you want some kind of a sound effects, then you can toggle the button a little towards the right, just decreasing the volume. Whenever you want the full volume, you can always come back to this place and then drag the little sliders right under each option that you want to increase or decrease the sound on. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.